Most TV speakers today still have the same problem. They're fine for casual watching, but the moment you try to watch a movie, play a game, or even stream something with layered audio, everything starts to feel compressed. Sound comes from one direction, dialogue competes with background noise, and the experience never really expands beyond the screen itself. This is where a dedicated home theater sound system changes the entire equation. This LG 4.1-channel soundbar system with wireless subwoofer and rear speakers is built to bridge that gap between basic TV audio and a full cinematic setup. It's designed for people who want immersive sound without turning their living room into a complicated audio installation project. The first thing that stands out is how straightforward the setup is. There's no long calibration process or complicated wiring map to follow. The soundbar connects directly to the TV, the wireless subwoofer pairs automatically, and the rear speakers slot into place with minimal effort. Within minutes, the system is ready, which already puts it ahead of traditional home theater rigs that demand much more technical setup. Once everything is running, the difference in soundstage becomes immediately noticeable. Instead of audio being locked to the TV screen, it begins to spread across the room. The front soundbar handles dialogue and mid-range detail, the subwoofer takes over low-end depth, and the rear speakers introduce spatial movement that makes the sound feel less flat and more layered. Dialogue clarity is one of the strongest aspects of this system. Even in scenes where background music and effects are active, voices remain clean and centered. This is important because clarity is often what gets sacrificed when bass or surround effects are pushed too hard. Here, the balance stays consistent, so conversations remain easy to follow without constantly adjusting volume. The wireless subwoofer adds another dimension without overwhelming the mix. Instead of producing uncontrolled bass, it delivers a focused low-end presence. Explosions feel heavier, music gains depth, and action scenes carry more impact, but everything stays controlled enough that it doesn't distort the overall sound profile. The wireless design also gives flexibility in placement, which helps optimize room acoustics without extra effort. The rear speakers are where the system starts to feel more immersive. Subtle audio cues like ambient noise, directional effects, and background movement begin to appear behind the listener instead of being mixed into the front channel. This creates a more believable surround environment, especially in movies and games where spatial awareness matters. When switching between different types of content, the system adjusts surprisingly well. Movies benefit the most, especially those with dynamic sound design and layered audio. Streaming shows gain better clarity and separation compared to standard TV audio. Even casual content feels improved simply because the sound is no longer confined to a single point. Gaming performance is also noticeably enhanced. Directional audio cues such as footsteps, environmental effects, and movement become easier to detect. This adds an extra layer of immersion, especially in story-driven or competitive games where sound positioning matters. Bluetooth functionality expands usability beyond just TV audio. The system can be used for music streaming with quick pairing and stable connection. While it is not designed to replace dedicated high-end music speakers, it performs well enough for everyday listening, background music, and casual streaming without feeling limited. From a design perspective, the system remains minimal and practical. The soundbar blends naturally with most TV setups, the subwoofer can be placed discreetly in the room, and the rear speakers do not require strict positioning to function effectively. The overall design approach clearly prioritizes real-world usability over visual complexity. What makes this system interesting is not that it tries to compete with high-end cinematic setups, but that it focuses on delivering the core elements that most users actually want. Clear dialogue, expanded soundstage, noticeable bass, and a sense of surround immersion that doesn't require technical expertise to achieve. It sits in that middle space where upgrade becomes immediately noticeable without becoming overwhelming. You don't need to understand audio engineering to benefit from it. You just plug it in, and the difference is obvious from the first few minutes of content. For anyone still relying on built-in TV speakers or a basic single-unit soundbar, the jump in audio quality is significant. It doesn't just make things louder. It makes sound feel wider, deeper, and more connected to what's happening on screen. That is ultimately what this system is aiming for. Not perfection, not studio-level precision, but a practical and noticeable shift in how entertainment feels at home.